For multiple choice number 22, again, ang tinatanong, how much is the allowable deduction for the fringe benefits granted? So, unahin muna natin yung fringe benefit granted to the managerial employees. So, ang sabi dyan, it's 1,300,000. Pero, under fringe benefits tax, yung 1,300,000 is regarded as net of tax. So, i-gross up mo siya by dividing it by 65%. So, ang allowable deduction for the fringe benefit of managers is 2 million. Yung 2 million is composed of tax at saka yung mismong fringe benefit. Tapos, yung fringe benefit for rank and file employees na 5 million, hindi mo yun i-gross up, no? Kasi hindi naman siya subject sa fringe benefit tax. Pero, it is still allowed as a deduction, no? Kasi ano yun benefits given to employees. So, wala lang siyang fringe benefit tax, pero deductible siya. Kaya isasama mo siya dun sa 2 million, kaya ang sagot natin sa number 22, total allowable deduction for fringe benefit of all employees, 7 million.